Dear students, now we are going to start first chapter of chemistry. Its first topic is mole concept. Term mole means heat. First of all, this term is introduced by Ostwald in 1894. It is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, and it is also called as Avogadro's number. So it is clear that it is just a number like dozen. It is a very large number. Avogadro number, so it is a pure number. It is a pure number, that is, it is dimensionless. In 1971, first of all, it is approved as SI unit. It is used as SI unit. The unit is mole for amount of substance. It is also represented by Avogadro's constant and A, where A stands for Avogadro, which unit is mole inverse. So see here, Avogadro number dimensionless, a pure number, but Avogadro's constant has unit mole inverse. Na is equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 mole inverse or per mole, which means 1 mole of a substance has 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 independent particles. Now we take a question. What is the population of world in moles? Given population is 6 billion. Now you have to change it into moles. So solution. We all know very well that if we ask how many dozens will be equal to 60 books, then we will go 60 divided by 12 is equals to 5 dozen, because we know 1 dozen is equals to 12. That is 12 books means 1 dozen. That is why 60 books is equals to 60 divided by 12 is equals to 5 dozen. Similarly, the number of dozens, that is number of moles is equals to 60. What is 60 here? The given number, which is to be changed into dozen. So given number divided by 12. What is 12 here? The value of 1 dozen. The value of 1 dozen. Similarly, to find the number of moles, given number divided by the value of moles, that is Na. Or you can say 6.022 10 to the power 23. So it is a formula which can be used in such questions. Therefore, number of moles is equals to, what is given number? 6 billion. 6 billion means 6 into 10 to the power 9. 1 billion means 1 billion is equal to 10 to the power 9. So 6 billion, 6 into 10 to the power 9. Divide by NA. NA is equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. But in such questions, we can approximate 6.022 into 6. 6 divided by 6, 110. So it is equals to 1 into 10 to the power minus 14 mole. That is, the population of world is 1 into 10 to the power minus 14 mole. So you can imagine that it is a very large number. Now guys, we can again formulate a new formula. If we have to find out the number of particles, the number of independent particles of substance for which we know the number of moles, then we will go given number or the number of particles. Particle may be atom, molecule, ion, electron, proton, anything, an independent particle. So the number of particle is equals to number of moles of that particles of that substance into Avogadro's constant. So you have a formula to find the number of moles from the number of particles, or you can calculate number of particles from its number of moles by a conversion factor, Avogadro's constant. Here a question, number of atoms in 0.1 mole CH4. Guys, here the independent particle is CH4, the substance is CH4. That is why the number of independent particles of CH4, that is molecule, number of molecule is equals to number of moles, that is 0.1 mole into Avogadro's constant Na. It is equals to 0.1 mole into, we know Avogadro's constant is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 mole inverse. Here mole is cancelled by mole, or it is equals to 6.022 into 10 to the power 22 molecules. You can write it here as 0.1 mole and 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules per mole. So it is the number of molecules. According to this formula, one molecule has 5 atoms. 1 of carbon and 4 of hydrogen, that is total 5 atoms in a molecule. So the number of atoms in these molecules will be equal to total number of atoms. Total number of atoms is equals to 5 number of atoms in one molecule into number of molecules, 6.022 into 10 to the power 22, or into 10 to the power 22, or 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 atoms in 0.1 mole CH4. Now the next question. Number of electrons in 0.4 mole aluminium ion. Here the particle is aluminium ion. So first of all, we have to calculate number of aluminium ions is equals to number of moles 0.4 into Avogadro's number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 ions per mole, or you can say ions mole inverse per mole. Mole cancelled by mole inverse. So you will find 2.4088 into 10 to the power 23 ions. Guys, as you know, when any neutral atom has equal number of protons and electrons, if a neutral atom releases n electrons, then it will acquire n unit positive charge. If a neutral atom removes or releases n electron, then it will acquire n unit positive charge and change into cation. On the other hand, if a neutral atom gains n electrons, then it will acquire n unit negative charge and called anion. Number of protons in nucleus of any element or atom is called atomic number. So, guys, to find the number of electrons in a cation, we have to subtract the number of positive charge, unit of positive charge from atomic number, that is from number of electrons in neutral atom. We all know that atomic number of aluminium is 13. That is number of electrons in one aluminium atom will be 13. So, number of electrons in one aluminium ion will be atomic number 13 minus number of unit of positive charge 3. That is 10 electrons. So, to find the number of electrons in a cation, electrons will be equal to Z atomic number minus N. That is, what is N here? N is the number of units of positive charge. Similarly, to find the number of electrons in an anion, you have to add N in atomic number. What is N here? N is the number of unit of negative charge. Is that clear? So, the number of electrons in one aluminium ion, 10 electrons. Now, find the number of aluminium ions. To find the number of aluminium ions is this. That is why total number of electrons is equals to number of electrons in one ion, 10, into number of ions, 2.4088 into 10 to the power 23 is equals to 2.4088 into 10 to the power 24 electrons. Here is your answer. That's all in this video, and we will come with the next video. Bye bye.